First, I'm going to rewrite the problem using zeros as my placeholders. And making sure everything is lined up. 2 plus 0 is 2. 6 plus 9 is 15. Add the 1. 2 plus 7 is 8. Drop down the decimal. And that's add another 1. And that's your problem. I'm going to rewrite the problem in vertical using zeros as my placeholder. Uh, 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 minus 6 you can't do, so you take 1 from here, which leaves at 4, 13, which would be 7. 4 minus, drop down the decimal, 4 minus 2 is 2, and 1 minus 0 is 0. So your answer would be 12, 7.3. So I start off multiplying 4.02 times 0.7. I don't need to line up the things because it doesn't really matter on multiplying. I'm going to add a 0 placeholder. Actually, I won't, but I'll just keep it there. So 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 0 is 0 plus 1, which is 1. And 7 times 4 is 2, 8. So this. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So you add 2 plus 2, which is 0, or which is 4, sorry. And then that would mean you bring it over 1, 2, 3, 4, and your answer would be 0.2814. So you're going to divide 1.06 divided by 0.2. We're going to move the decimal over. Move this decimal over. Put it at the top. So now you got 2 goes into 10 5 times. So 0, then you bring down the 6. And 2 goes into 6 3 times. So your answer would be 5.3. So I'm going to rewrite the problem. 615 plus 3/15. So now I have to find the LCM to 15 and 15, but they're already found for me, so all I do is add is 9/15, but I have to simplify. Divide by 3. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And 3/5 is my answer. So I have to find the LCM of 24 and 2. 24 is, I'll just write 24, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, so 24, 21 over 24, then plus 1, minus 24, put that there, and then 21 minus 1 equals 20 over 24, but I have to simplify, so divided by 4 equals 5 over 6. 5/6 is my answer. So I take 1/4 times negative 2/3, and then I give them a thing, so it's 1, 2 over 4, 3, and then this crosses out, so 2 times 3 is 6, and 1 times 1, so that's your answer. So I'm gonna rewrite the problem, but I'm gonna flip the reciprocal. So I put 7 over 6, and then I do this, but then I switch it to a multiplication symbol, which would make 4 times 6. Well, actually, you can cross this out, so that becomes a 1, and this becomes a 2. So 4 times 2 is 8, and 1 times 7 is 7. So then that's your problem, and I'm done. Thank you. So I'm going to take 1/6. So I'm going to rewrite it. n plus 1/6 equals 5/6. So I'm going to take this and then minus 1/6, and then minus 1/6. So 5/6 minus 1/6 equals 4/6, which is then simplified to 2/3. So I am going to rewrite it just because it's easier to do the problem. So I'm going to do cross it out plus 1/5, and then do this plus 1/5, and then 3/5 plus 1/5, is 4/5, and that's the end. So I'm gonna divide it out. So equals.
What's this process called again?
Negative. No, dude, you're screwing. Oh, dog, hold on. 1/5 divided by 1/5. 1/5, and then 4 divided by 1/5. So 4/1 divided by 1/5. So then I switch out the answer, fit the reciprocal, so then it's 5/1 times equals 4 times 4 times 5 is 20, and 1 times 1 is 1. So the answer is 20. X equals. So you divide, or you don't divide, you do this with 6/1, 6/1, and then you divide this, which turns into, if you flip the reciprocal, 1 times 1 is 1, and then 8, so 1/8.